Do you ever wonder why activists are passionate when speaking about the ocean and keeping it clean? I used to wonder too until I saw a shark fin on the beach with plastic around it. The truth is, if we don't act in helping to keep our oceans clean, future generations will be left with permanent devastations to our waterways and animal life. Pollution in our oceans is a very serious problem. Every day, millions of animals are caught in fishing nets and six-pack beer rings. Most think that only fish are affected from getting caught in these. However, they also kill birds, turtles, dolphins, and seals. 80% of the world's oceans are polluted, filled with toxins and waste. However, however, if we reduce the use of plastic, it would make the oceans cleaner. Today, I'm going to be talking about what issues we're having within our oceans and how we can fix them. Let's start with marine debris. Marine debris is when the ocean is filled with trash, trash such as plastic bottles, metals, glass, paper, cloth, or rubber, and wood. When animals see the plastic in the ocean, they often mistake it for their food, which could put them in danger. For example, when a sea turtle eats a plastic bag, it can block their digestive system and make them starve to death. Not only does marine debris affect our oceans, but it affects our foods as well. Over one-third of shellfish in the ocean in the United States is affected by pollution. Heavy metals can contaminate our seafood and make it hurtful for us to eat. Now that we've talked about marine debris, let's talk about the chemical pollution in our ocean. Most of the ocean's chemical pollution comes from oil. One of the biggest sources is called non-point source pollution, which occurs because of runoff. Nearly 85% of the 29 million gallons of petroleum that enter the North American ocean waters each year because of human activities comes from land-based runoff, polluted rivers, airplanes, and small boats and jet skis. Oil excess that is leaked into the ocean can come from many places, such as being unintentional spills from cars, trucks, and boats. However, most are from continuing irresponsible habits while using oil products. Millions of motor vehicle engines drop small amounts of oil each day onto roads and parking lots. Much of this too makes its way to the sea. Most of the oil waste that is found in the ocean comes from sewer runoff from farms, cities, and factories. It is estimated that approximately 700 million gallons of waste oil enter the ocean every year, with over half coming from land drainage and waste disposal. For example, from the improper disposal of used motor oil. Dirt can be pollutant. Topsoil or slip from fields or construction sites can run off into waterways, harming fish and wildlife habitats. With large tracts of land are plowed, the exposed soil can erode during rainstorms. Much of this runoff flows to the sea, carrying with its agriculture, fertilizers, and pesticides. So how can we help our oceans? What can we do to save our marine life? Here are 3 solutions to keep our oceans clean and safe. Use less plastic. Clean after yourself. Clean up after yourself when you're at the beach, and get involved and help spread the word. If we take these steps into action, we can have cleaner oceans and experience marine life at its best, leaving our waterways clean for future generations. Thank you.